I'm gonna do a tutorial how to make a cute little planet. I can't do a face because I'm using a pen. Yes, for the iPad. So first, grab like any color. I'm doing like a neon color, so you can use any color you want. So this might take for a while. Why does this look like a Powerpuff Girl for me? And last one. Yeah, like that. Now, hold on. I'm gonna use the last one. Oh wait. No, I'll use the last one for this, but oh god. Hold up, guys. I have to charge. Okay, that's better. Now grab this special and grab like this one, the drag, and turn like any shape you want. Just keep doing it, and after that and you have this. Now go to circle and use this circle tool over here. After that, grab an eraser and it's supposed to be small, okay? Now use a hard pen. Make sure it's not big. It's supposed to be medium size. And now erase the detail stuff that you are doing. Or you can do like no circle. That's supposed to be like this. Next, grab another one and straight down, grab a black and start doing like that. Next, now grab this and press alpha lock. Next, go to paintbrush and select this one, the airbrush, or you can use any type of airbrush. And start doing the art. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Make sure it's faded. Next. Oh no, I lost it. Go to the white part and start doing like this. And there. Or you can just like do this a bit and do some textures. Or you can put like any detail you want. So I need to make some stars, so I'm gonna make that. You can put like anything you want. I love when these little circles come out. And they're done. Hope this helps. And also don't forget to follow me on TikTok. It'll make my day better. So, thanks for watching. Bye.